Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. See the black box, you got the red Nike print. Here it is, the Air Jordan 1 Royal Alternate. See it come with the replacement laces. But look, before we get into all that, man, look, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Help me get my subscribers up, man. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all feeling the content. You know what I mean? So, do the kid a favor, man, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe, man. Now, I ain't even gonna spend too much time on this, because y'all already know what it is. It's a Air Jordan 1. I mean, ain't too many things that you really can say. Just gonna give you a better look at it. You know what I'm saying? And stay tuned to the end, because I'm gonna do it on foot. But like I said, man, I'm just gonna breeze through this right quick, man. Let y'all see what's there. I'm with it, man. On the inside, you see, you got the white insole with the blue Nike Air in it. Come with the black laces in it. I mean, it's a Jordan. Some decent quality leather. I mean, it ain't really too much that I could say, man. You know what I mean? But I just really wanted to give y'all a quick look at it. And when I say quick, I mean quick. Because I got a bunch of other things that I got to do, man. And, you know, I can't take too much time on this. Man. You know, I got a couple of videos I'm going to be dropping. On top of that, a few more videos, you know what I mean? And you see on the tongue, you got the Nike Air in royal blue. I mean, that's pretty much it, man. I mean, it's not really too much that I can say, man. But let me know how y'all feel about it, man. What y'all gonna cop? You tired of the ones? I don't know. Let me know what's up, man. You know, here's a look at the back. I mean, like I say, man, it's some of these videos, man, I'm starting to go a little bit too much into detail or whatnot when it don't really need to be discussed, you know what I'm saying? So I got other YouTubers that's doing the reviews and give you an in-depth, you know, analysis of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? But all I'm trying to do, man, is show it to y'all, you know, and trying to get y'all feedback, trying to see what you feel, how you feel about them. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man. Look, we're going to take a couple of looks at these shots. You know what I'm saying? And, yeah, man, I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. And stay tuned, because we're about to go into that on foot. I'm going to holler back.